So by the time we are waiting for 10 minutes to get over, I will also apply my lips with Daughter Earth's Dreamy Lip Mask, because as you can see, my lips are very dry and it is winter season going on. So here it says on the box that I can use it as a primer before applying any lipsticks. Okay, so just let me try this out. So this is how it looks once I unbox it. Okay, and I'll be opening it now. It contains another seal inside it. Oh, the seal fell. Anyway, the seal fell. In case it doesn't fall out on its own like that, there is a small thing here which you can see. This is there to pull out the seal manually. Okay, and once you remove this is how the lip mask looks. So I'll be trying this out. It says on the box here that you have to uh, give it a swipe or two on your lips. So there you go, I've given it a double coating. uh, the color of the lip mask is pink inside the bottle, but once you apply it on your lips, uh, it's a very natural color. It's colorless. There's no pink color. There's no additional pink color in the lip mask, which I like very much. I don't like a lot of fragrance or added colors in my cosmetics, or you can say in my skincare. So 10 minutes are over. I'll be showing you the Daughter Earth lip and cheek tint box for Eternal Flame. This is how the box looks like from the outside. Um, and once you unbox this is how the lip and cheek tint looks. This is in shade Eternal Flame. Okay, so I'll be applying it first on the cheek, approximately 7 dots. I'll be adding in a little more of the product on my face because I'm not sure whether it will be visible once I blend it. So I'll be putting it a little bit more than usual. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and with my other two fingers, I'll just be blending it out. A little bit on the nose as well. So, can you see the difference in my face from before applying the product and after applying the product? I hope you can see it. I'm not sure. Please do let me know in the comments. Okay, so I've done. I'm done with the cheeks and the nose. Now let me try with the lips now. Guys, what do you think? uh, this is how it looks on the lips. Okay, if you want you can add a bit more color. It's up to our individual choice, so I'm deciding to add a little bit of more on my lips. Yeah, so I'm done applying it on my lips. What do you think, what do you think, guys? uh, so you can leave this look as is, or you can choose to add more makeup to this lip, to this look. I will choose to add. There's some leftover tint. I'll use it on my cheek and my forehead just to get it finished off. Sorry for the sound in between. That was my stomach, by the way. I've not had any food. Hmm. So पूरा प्रोडक्ट ख़त्म कर दिया है, एकदम पैसा वसूल. मुझे थोड़ा इसमें आई मेकअप करना है. वांट टू डू सम आई मेकअप ऑन दिस लुक. So guys, that's it. I have enhanced my features a little bit more by adding eyeliner, eyebrow definer, and mascara. So this is how I look. What do you think? Isn't it pretty? See, I'm still wondering whether the lip and cheek tint is visible on the cheeks or not. And let me know about the color on the lips as well. I really, really like this product because lip and cheek tints don't require us to have a foundation base before applying them. If you're in a hurry but you want to add some color to your lips, you're fed up of using lipsticks, so this is a very good option to go for. um, I ordered this from Amazon. um, after checking out the product, it really made me feel like to check out their website as well. And on the website I found some wonderful products as well, so I'll be reviewing those as well later on in the upcoming videos. So let's just test the durability of this product on the face. I'll come back to you to let you know how many hours this lip and cheek tint lasts on the face. Thank you. As you can see, guys, the color is still there on my face. It's still there on my cheeks. I'm not able to see it on the camera on my phone, but I hope you guys can definitely make out the difference. It's already 16:35 now. Let me check back after a few more hours. So guys, it's 17:58 now. That is 5:58 in the evening. You can see my face, the color, a little bit of color still remains on my lips, but as for the cheeks have completely absorbed the lip and cheek tint. So we can safely say that the color remains on your cheeks for a good 3 hours. I was also wearing a 95 mask, but the mask is not stained with any of the lip and cheek tint color, only towards the nostril maybe. So guys, my final thoughts on the product would be that You can go for this product if you're stepping out of the house temporarily for like 2-3 hours. You want a natural looking color appearing on your cheeks and lips, uh, or you're too bored to go through the entire routine of applying makeup step by step, or you just don't have the energy, or you're just too lazy to apply makeup, or you don't have enough time on your hands to apply makeup but quickly want to rush out of the house, then definitely go for this product. Otherwise, don't go for this expecting it is transfer proof or it is long lasting. See, whatever I have shown you, those were the results on my body. Maybe it can last longer on somebody else's body. Everyone's bodies are different. So it's all up to you. You find out what is best for you by trial and error. So those were my thoughts for today. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.